بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn Quranic alphabet Alif to Jim. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف ألف ألف. You can read after me. Alif Alif. Alif has no dot. Ba 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 Ba. Please remember, Ba has one dot below the letter. Ba Ba Ba. Please remember, Ba Ba. Our next letter is Ta Ta Ta. Please remember, Ta has two dots on top. Please read after me. Ta 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 Ta. Our next letter is Fa 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 Fa. Please remember, Fa has three dots on top. Fa Fa. Fa has short sound. Please read Sa without whistle sound. Fa 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 Fa. Our next letter is Jim 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 Jim. Jim has one dot in the middle. Please remember, Jim has one dot in the middle. Jim Jim Jim. Today our lesson is completed. Alif to Jim. Please remember this lesson. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have only question regarding this lesson's previous lesson, please leave a message in comment section. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الله ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو